Earning cash just by watching videos online. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, I'm about to reveal this website that will earn you $2.80 for one video, $1.28 for 10, and the potential to hit over $100 a day just by kicking back and doing activities you most likely already do on a regular basis. If you're ready to say goodbye to empty promises and hello to real tangible earnings, stick around because this video could be your path to financial success. Here's a rundown of the steps I've got for you in this video. Sign up with the website, which I'm going to reveal at the end. Learn how to earn on the platform, get paid to watch streams and videos, withdraw your earnings. Now let's get started. Let's kick things off with step 1. Head on over to this website where you can earn cash just by watching videos. I'll reveal this site's name in a bit, but let me tell you, the stats don't lie. Users are pulling in over $10 a day on average, with $470,000 already paid out. So, hit that register account button, pick a unique username, toss in your email and password, and you're good to go. Trust me, this site's got the ratings to prove it's the real deal, with a solid 4.5 stars on Trustpilot. So go ahead, dive in, and let's start making some serious cash together. You've got a variety of ways to cash out your earnings, all tailored to what's available in your country. So even if PayPal is not an option, no worries. There are plenty of other payment methods at your disposal. Plus, you can even withdraw straight to your bank account, and get this, you only need $2 to make that happen. Now, for step number 2, once you're on your dashboard, head over and hit up the Earn button. That'll whisk you away to a page bursting with ways to pocket some extra cash online. We're talking about completing offers, gaming, streaming Twitch, jamming out to music, and more. But today, our focus is on watching videos and making money. So click on the Watch Streams option. And hey, no worries if you don't have a Twitch account, you can still tune into these streams right here and start earning. With loads of videos up for grabs, especially gaming content like GTA 5, Minecraft, League of Legends, and Valorant. You're sure to find something to suit your taste while stacking up that cash. If you're digging a particular video, just click on it, and you'll be whisked away to a page where you can kick back and watch. And hey, while you're enjoying the content, you're also stacking up some cash. We're talking $2 points per minute for watching videos, but hey, that number can shoot up to $2.80 per minute depending on where you're located. The more developed your country, the bigger the bucks. But hey, no matter where you're from, the longer you tune in, the more money you'll pocket. So, hit me up in the comments with your country name for future videos tailored just for you. Here's a little insider tip. If you're earning less per minute for watching videos, no sweat. Just extend your viewing time to stack up those earnings. With a plethora of videos to choose from, you can easily amp up your cash flow. Now onto the bonus tips. Firstly, head over to video settings and dial down the quality to 160p to conserve your precious internet data. And here's another trick. Open multiple videos in separate tabs on your browser simultaneously. This way, you can supercharge your earnings. If one video scores you $2.80 per minute, having 10 tabs open means you're raking in $1.28 per minute, maximizing your earning potential. Now, on to step number 3 for earning cash through video watching. This one's a game changer. Dive into short and trending video clips and get paid every 5 minutes you spend watching. To get started, simply download the Livestream Clips app on your Android or iOS device, enter your username, which is right here in parentheses, and start tuning into those bite-sized videos. You could pocket anywhere between $1 to $10 every 5 minutes you're glued to the screen. And guess what? All the earnings from the Livestream Clips app automatically land in your account on this website. Plus, you'll earn a ticket every 5 minutes to further boost your earnings. But if you're feeling adventurous, why not explore other money-making methods available here to maximize your cash flow? Hey, quick heads up, not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Here's another way to stack up some cash. Tune into your favorite tunes and earn money while you're at it. Simply install the Global Radio Music app on your Android or iOS device, and you could pocket anywhere from $1 to $10 points every 10 minutes you're vibing. And that's not all. There are plenty of other money-making opportunities waiting for you here. Dive into completing offers, playing games, taking surveys, and more. Let's check out the offers section. You'll find a treasure trove of featured offers, offer providers, and survey providers. From installing gaming apps like Flappy Bird to exploring various offer providers, there's no shortage of ways to make money online. Here's another neat trick. Check out the offers section, and you'll find a bunch of apps you can install to earn some extra cash. Click on Send Media and head up to the top of this platform and hit the Videos tab, and you'll discover a bunch of platforms where you can earn money by watching various videos like Pixel Point TV, Puppy Bear TV, Cozy Crafts TV, and more. And that's not all. On Send Media, you can also rack up cash by completing surveys, signing up for different platforms, and installing various apps on your mobile device. So dive into the mobile apps section and explore the wide array of apps and games that can help you pocket some money online. And here's the cherry on top. Not only can you choose your device type, whether it's Android, iPhone, or iPad, from the top of this platform, but you can also access apps specifically tailored for your mobile device. Take Lootably, for example. If you navigate to the Lootably platform from here, you'll discover a range of apps that you can install to start earning some cash. On this platform, the options are virtually limitless. With hundreds of thousands of apps available for installation, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? You're not limited to installing random apps. Pick and choose the ones you're already familiar with, or dive into some exciting gaming apps. So, why not enjoy some gaming fun while pocketing some extra cash? There's no shortage of fun games to dive into, from classics like Solitaire to puzzle games, along with plenty of other play-to-earn options. If you head over to the top of Lootably, you'll spot the option to watch videos and earn money. Just give that a click and you'll be greeted with a variety of video categories to choose from, whether it's business, gaming, DIY, or food. There's something for everyone. Simply select your preferred category and hit the Watch Videos button. For me, I'm all about gaming, so I'll click on that option. You'll be whisked away to the Loot TV website, where you'll need to sign up. Once you're in, any cash you earn from watching those gaming videos will be seamlessly added to your account on our main website, ready for you to cash out hassle-free. If you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes, and if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video soon to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. I'm all set to kick back and enjoy some gaming videos on Loot.tv. With every ad that pops up during my viewing session, I'll be pocketing some extra cash. And here's the cool part. All the earnings I make from watching these videos will be seamlessly transferred over to the main website. Oh, and in case you're curious, the website's name is Rewardy. It's got a 4.5 star rating on Trustpilot and is also recognized as one of the verified websites there. For our last step, when you're ready to cash out your earnings from Rewardy, it's as simple as clicking on the Withdraw option. From there, you'll be presented with two methods to choose from. You can opt to withdraw your earnings as cash using cryptocurrencies such as Litecoin, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Or you can go the route of gift cards like Visa, Amazon, or Roblox. It's all about picking the option that works best for you. With the potential to earn up to $2.80 per minute for watching videos and the flexibility to cash out through various methods like cryptocurrencies or gift cards, Rewardy offers a straightforward path to financial success. So why wait? Sign up now, start watching, and let your earnings stack up while you enjoy your favorite content. If you're interested in earning money online through GPT or Get Paid To websites, you're going to want to check out this playlist of my videos that has a bunch of them waiting for you to join. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy earning!